The most common cause of low power is an improperly adjusted speed control cable. With the engine off, place the speed control lever in the high speed position. Loosen the fastener securing the speed control cable. Gently pull the cable until it stops. Secure the fastener while holding the speed control cable. Start the engine and verify the high-speed setting. The high-speed setting for this engine model is 3600 RPM. Loosen the lock nut on the high-speed adjustment screw. Don't be surprised if you don't have a 7mm wrench. I made it 41 years without needing one. Turn the screw clockwise to increase the high-speed setting. Then start the engine and recheck the speed. I had to repeat this a few times to reach 3600 RPM. Wait until the engine and exhaust is no longer hot, then secure the lock nut to complete the speed adjustment procedure.